अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आज हम देखेंगे करेक्टर एनालिसिस ऑफ ब्लंचली। सो ब्लंचली इज़ अ रियलिस्टिक करेक्टर हु believes in adapting the situation in order to survive. A professional soldier, he knows that he is only a tool and he has no illusions about war and the practical actions one must take to win battles and stay alive. His most famous feature is that he keeps chocolate in his pocket rather than bullets. So he reads the play from beginning to end. He is anti-romantic and quite logical in his views. He is about 35 years old and has a medium height. When Bluntschli takes refuge in Raina's bedroom, जब Bluntschli ने जो है पनाह ली थी रायना के रूम में, he starts a chain of events that changes his life and the lives of all those who associated with the Petkoff family. ब्लंचली पेटकोफ फैमिली कौन सी थी? रायना की फैमिली को पेटकोफ फैमिली कहा गया। ठीक है। ब्लंचली हैज़ अ रोमांटिक साइड दैट शो बाय हिज एक्शन. He ran off to be a soldier rather than go to his father business. He climbs a balcony to escape rather than drop into the cellar, and he himself returns the borrowed coat rather than shipping it. वो उसके बाबा का जो है कोट लेके चला गया था ना, सर्दी ज़्यादा थी लेकिन वो खुद वापस करने आया ना। वो शिप भी तो करवा सकता था लेकिन नहीं, वो खुद वापस करने आया क्योंकि वो रायना को देखना चाहता था। Because he wanted to see Raina, Blanchi is a professional soldier. He is hired by Serbia for fighting, but he has no feeling for patriotism of his country. He considered soldiering as a business like other business. He believed that battle is not won by heroism but by cleverness, and it is a duty of a soldier to live as long as he can. That's why he runs away from the battle field to save his life. He thinks that everything is fair in love and war. Bluntschli had a deep understanding about the character of a man and woman. He can easily see that Raina and Sergius are wearing a mask. They are not loyal to each other, so he gets a suitable opportunity to propose Raina. In the end, we can say that Bluntschli is the most interesting character in the play Arms and the Man, and he plays an important role in the play. He has an amazing thought about the war. So just says about him, what a man is he, what a man. So I'm done this video. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि नेक्स्ट में जितने भी जो है अपलोड करूँ लेक्चर्स, तो वो मैं विदाउट वॉइस अपलोड करूँ, तो मैं साथ में कोई बैकग्राउंड टोन लगा दिया करूँगी क्योंकि आप लोग इतना अच्छा कोई ख़ास रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहे तो समझाने का फ़ायदा नहीं है। अगर मैं इंशाल्लाह मैं कोशिश करूँगी। तो बाकी वीडियोज़ के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।